The VUHIGIB Portable Washing Machine is a compact, collapsible 15-liter mini washer designed for efficient cleaning of small loads. This foldable laundry machine features 3 cleaning modes and a built-in drain basket, making it ideal for delicate items like baby clothes, underwear, and socks. Its lightweight and space-saving design suits travel, camping, dorms, apartments, and RVs. This device connects easily to our kitchen faucet or sink for filling and draining. It offers simple on-touch operation with timer settings of 3, 5, or 10 minutes. The washer includes a high-speed spin drain basket to remove excess moisture after washing, speeding up drying time. Constructed from durable and food-grade silicone, it is safe and gentle on fabrics. The motor runs quietly and efficiently, reducing both water and electricity use while minimizing noise and vibration. Perfect for travelers, students, and small households, this portable washer combines convenience with performance. It simplifies laundry in tight spaces without sacrificing cleaning power. The VUHIGIB Mini Washer is a practical solution for on-the-go and everyday washing needs.